Hey everyone, here are my composition settings. First, pre-compose the base layer. Now pre-compose that layer one more time and rename it Final 3. Next, add the overlay to the Final 3 layer. I've uploaded the overlay. You can find the download link in the description or comment section. Now add the VHS overlay on top. Apply the effect Uni Unmult to this layer. Alternatively, you can change the blending mode to add or screen. Personally, I like using Uni Unmult. Enable motion blur on this layer. Next, add the fight text overlay. Apply the key light effect on it. Then pre-compose this layer. Now create a new adjustment layer above everything. Apply Lumetri color and follow the My values I'm using on screen. Add a drop shadow effect to the fight text. Scale it down to around 60%. For the transition, I'm just adding a simple, smooth zoom out. In Gentalman's Levi edit, you can see he used a similar fight text overlay along with the ODM gear sword. Today, I'm going to recreate that look. Add the sword PNG to the timeline. Rotate it to 90 degrees. create a mask just like I'm doing here and pre-compose it. Then adjust the position. Duplicate this layer one more time and adjust the position again. Now animate the position and add a drop shadow effect on it. For even better results, you can add a tritone effect on the fight text layer. Guys, this was a simple and quick tutorial. If you liked my tutorial thumbnail, I've also uploaded the free project file for it. You can find the download link in the description. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and let me know in the comments what should I make next. See you in the next one.